Hey everyone, Tina here with Tina's Inspired Art. Today we're going to be doing something very different. I did this paint pour a few days ago, completely dry. I went ahead and I painted just a fall leaf on here with two different colors that I mixed. And one of them was the purple, and then the other on top of that was the chameleon blue. So I just hand painted those on there. It is completely dry now, but I'm going to take it one more step. I've never done this before, but I've been wanting to try it out, and that is to do some gold leafing. And so I think this is a perfect opportunity to do some gold leafing on this project. I am going to gold leaf on the veins that I left open on this leaf. So it was a little difficult. I was kind of looking at a leaf and I was like, okay, I want to leave those open so I can gold leaf in the middle of it and down the stem. So, and there's a chance I might outline it as well with the gold leaf. So we'll see how that works out. But it says on the bottle of the gilding adhesive that you need to wait after you paint it on. You need to wait about 30 to 60 minutes when the surface becomes transparent and it has a stickiness when touched. That's when you can apply your gold leafing. So that's what I'm gonna do today. And I think with this one example, shouldn't be too difficult, but I'm just hoping that it actually looks really good. I'll be adding some more leaves to this as well in various locations on this particular design. As you can see, I've already added my little gemstone, and I did go ahead and paint just to clean up that area a little bit on that focal point. So for now, I am going to try to use this gilding adhesive and hopefully it'll come out good. So stay tuned, guys. All right, guys, you just saw me finish that painting just in those veins that I left in this leaf. And now I'm just going to let it dry. Looks like some of it's already drying. Want to make sure that it has enough. And then we'll take a piece of this foil and we'll put it over it and see how it looks. So yeah, wish me luck, guys. So I just laid down the foil on top of my leaf, and hopefully it's just sticking to where I laid that adhesive. And then I can just take my brush and gently just kind of touching the surface, and hopefully it'll start coming up. Let's just see how it works. And then all of these other scraps I can just put in a container. We'll see how it works. Let's see. Oh yeah, I think it's coming out. Just have to brush it a little bit more. Hey guys, I'm on to my third leaf. Now this leaf right here, I actually did a little different. Instead of just doing my veins like I did this other one in the corner, I decided just to do it sporadically. I mean, leaves are all different, so I just decided to do it just sporadically instead of all throughout the veins, because I think I like this style better than that other one. But I'll give you a close-up when we're done. I'm going to do this one kind of randomly as well. We'll see what leaf we like the best. But I do believe I like the leafing effect. So that for sure I do like. And may just do it a little bit more random this time and not being so careful. But just applying a nice thin layer of this adhesive, and we'll see what it looks like. Not sure if I'm going to outline it or not. Still TBD. We'll see what that looks like. I have a bunch of the leftovers. I'm just going to just kind of scoop out on there. Don't want to waste it. And then I can just brush it off again and keep reusing. So far, this is kind of fun, guys. Something new. I thought I'd try. It looks like it's working. It's kind of interesting on this little piece. I kind of like it. Something new and different really does make this piece look pretty. Look how pretty that looks. I love it. It really is gonna look good. Now, I just scoop this in my little container and keep on going, guys. Just made a couple of stems going to the focal point on this one, and it really did work well. I like it. So I'll be doing that to my other leaves. Really, it's quite simple to do. You just have to be careful where you put the adhesive, because that's where these sheets will definitely stick. So it's very, very easy to make them stick and adhere. And I think it just adds a nice little touch. So yeah, this is really fun. Thanks for joining me, guys. We're going to continue doing this, and we'll see the finished product at the end of the video. But I'd appreciate it if you haven't already done so. Please subscribe and like this video so I can continue to make more videos for you guys. Thanks. All right, guys, the next step I'm going to do with these leaves, I'm going to take this pen, it's a gold pen, and I'm going to outline my leaves just so they can stand out a little bit from the background. So let's see if this will work. I think I've decided, while I did outline it with that gold pen, I'm going to probably outline it a little bit with this black pen instead. It needs to pop a little bit more for me to like it. So that's what I'm going to do, is just kind of outline the leaf. I think it's just going to look a little bit better. So I'm gonna continue to outline my leaves and then we'll come back. Wow, look at her, guys. What do you think? It just adds a special little touch to this piece. I'm really liking her. All right, guys, that's about it for me today. Thanks again for being here on my channel, and please consider subscribing if you haven't already done so. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.